Hey, it's Vicki Norris of Restoring Order. Do you ever wonder why you can't get organized or why it's really hard to get started? Well, it could be that you are awfulizing the project. That's right, it's a little thing that we all do when we've never done something before or we think we're not going to be good at it. We just have no experience with it. And so we think, it's going to take forever, or it's going to cost so much money, or I'm going to get partway in and I'm not going to know how to finish. So we awfulize it. We imagine the worst case scenario. And ultimately, we basically make a giant mountain out of a molehill. And I want to share with you that there are 8,760 hours in every year. That's right, 8,760. And most organizing projects only take between 12 and 24 hours. Now, little tweaks here and there, or a junk drawer or a pantry, it might only take an hour, 2, 3, 4 hours. They're not all going to take between 12 and 24, but really that's kind of a good average. But listen, out of 8,760, that is nothing to restore your sanity and your peace of mind. So to combat awfulizing, what I want you to do, if you've suffered from this, is get out a notepad and count the cost. That's right. I want you to make a list of everything that it is costing you not to have order in that specific area of your life. Maybe it's your household, maybe it's your workplace, maybe you're trying to grow a small business, maybe it's your health. And there are areas where you're just out of order and it is costing you frustration, stress, time, money, and write those things down. Maybe it's causing stress on your marriage. Maybe it's causing stress on your body to be out of order in your health. Maybe it's causing stress on the family relationships to have clutter and chaos at home. And so once you count the cost, it is going to really motivate you to tackle that thing that you were awfulizing. And remember, it's only going to take a handful of hours to restore your peace of mind, your sanity, and your quality of life. So toss out awfulizing, get some perspective, maybe gather a team around you. Make sure you celebrate when the project is done because you have reclaimed your life. And I hope that these little strategies have helped you to quit awfulizing and jump in and tackle what's bugging you so you can go the distance and reclaim your life.